Say hey everybody. Say good morning. Good morning, welcome to Disney World. We are here at the Hyatt Place on, I don't know what street this is actually. But Disney.
Florida Street.
Disney is like right there. Other side of the street back there. We are about to move into our Bonnet Creek today. But first we are going to the outlet and we'll see what else happens. I forgot what the rest of the plan was. Hello Double Dippers and welcome to another exciting vlog on the Double Dip Disney channel. We are here at the Orlando Premium Outlets, coming at you with another exciting video, heading towards the Disney Character Warehouse. See if we can get a reservation or if there's a wait, because it opens in 22 minutes. So we'll see. So we are here, like I said, 22 minutes before opening, and there's already 66 parties ahead of us. So we'll see how long that takes us. So it is currently 10:40. So we've got 20 minutes till the store actually opens, and then probably a decent time after that. So we'll be back here a little later. We might go to Disney Springs while we wait. But we're also going to go check into our Bonnet Creek reservation. So we'll see you then. Got the freshly repainted signs here, all done up in that royal blue and gold. 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. We are here at Disney's Polynesian construction site. It is well under construction right now. You see the monorails coming through, slowing down to pass through the construction, or at least the last one did. This one seems to not be slowing down so much. But we are going to get some Dole Whip and hopefully get some tiki mugs. So we'll see. So much construction happened at the Poly. I'm not sure how many years it's going to take them to finish all that, but I hopefully not too long, because that's kind of ugly. Just construction walls everywhere. I know they're redoing some of the rooms to make them Moana themed, or at least that's the rumor. I'm not sure if that's been a fact yet, but fairly certain it's pretty official. Hopefully this is still available at the Tambu Lounge. It's my last hope for a tiki mug this trip, besides maybe Galaxy's Edge. We're entering the promised land of the Tambu Lounge. Hopefully they have my mug. I'll report back momentarily. There's hope. I see the Citrus Surfer on the counter.
Well, that's the last one.
Yeah, they probably do in some cabinet.
I was hoping that it's the last one. So like all this is like the restaurant.
Man, it really just looks like the beach from out there. Like you just look out and you see.
Yeah, it looks like we're at the beach. That's so pretty.
Oh yeah, and there's the glass skull that.
Like it looks like that.
Babe, when we get Dole Whip in the Magic Kingdom, they have a glass skull that you can get Dole Whip in.
Nice looking.
Oh, that's cool.
So we just got our text while standing in the store to go back to Vineland to get or to go to the outlet. So we're going there, and we'll be back to get our Dole Whip and get that tiki mug, which I found out I can't get till 4 o'clock. So we'll be back. We made it inside at 12:30, so it's been an hour since I came to make the reservation. We've got some stuff from Halloween and Christmas. Hey, we just saw these, something similar to these pen traders at Polynesian. Oh man, all the tumblers that we bought last time, except not the same kind, the retired ones. Oh, more of these shirts. Oh man, it's size small though, not my size. $4 for Wishable from Joan Cruise. Thank you. Socks. Ian will be all about these socks. Oh, they got some Ariel ears. My mom might be into those. I'll grab them. I'm working with one hand here, so bear with my videoing skills right now. Got our usual Disney Cruise merch that nobody's buying. Got some Alex and Ani in the case over here. There's a Frozen pin set. Oh crap, all the ones that I almost bought last time. $16 for a pin set's not bad. I like the Tower of Terror set that I got here. $10 though.
I'm not joking. Oh, cute. It lights up.
Happy Hanukkah.
Oh my god, it's so cute. We don't collect
Yacht and Beach Club. Yeah, not much, but something.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
We are here at Disney's Riviera Resort to ride the monorail and also to pick up our order from Primo something or another. We got gelato, so be right back with that. So this is what $5 gets you. You can't tell, but it's the size of the palm of my hand, approximately 1 inch and 1 inch radius.
Dang.
And you got, what did you get?
I got chocolate hazelnut profiteroles.
It's got gold leaf on top, it looks like.
Yeah.
It's got
This was $7, so I think I definitely have the better value here. It's definitely smaller than I thought it would be.
I got gelato. What was, this was like chocolate chunk or
Chocolate
something?
vanilla chunk.
We came here for honest dessert, but in order to get in here, we had to have a reservation or order of some kind. So I ordered the gelato, and I'd rather think that I just paid $5 for parking than $5 for that gelato. Because overall, it seemed more just like ice cream. There wasn't anything quite gelato about it. As a person that's been to Europe myself. But now we're getting on the Skyliner.
Woo! And then the nice breeze
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. A Disney vacation.
So we don't have a wrap on ours like they do. So they have pictures on
We are
ours.
on our
That's why we're
way
able
to
to see
Disney
out so
Caribbean
well.
Beach
If
Resort.
we had a wrap
So we
on
got
ours,
lucky.
yeah, if we had a wrap on ours, you would
Hollywood
have seen
Studios, Disney's
That's our resort right
Century
there, right?
Resort,
See?
and Disney's Art of
Bonnet Creek.
Animation
Oh.
Resort.
Yeah, I see that.
There's Balma Creek.
Say bon
This is Caribbean
voyage
Beach.
to
Look
the
how pretty the pool
Mediterranean.
area is.
We are about to go island hopping
Oh.
at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
And stop.
You okay, lovey? Just not
Hey, there's America from Epcot.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, we're bouncing a lot. It's just windy. There's Tower of Terror.
I don't like that.
What, the shaking?
Yeah. I mean, it's fine.
It's like
we're
a plane,
safe.
but it's like a...
We're safe, so I
It's
don't
a
have to worry about that.
slow
Oh, there's a pool
plane.
down here.
It's like a slow plane.
Getting back on the Skyliner at the Epcot back entrance, the International Gateway. We did a little bit of pin trading at the boardwalk. It's Ratatouille.
Yep, this is a new ride.
Very excited.
That's so cool.
It's like there's no construction happening. It must be
Yeah.
done by this point, unless there's
it is done, babe.
yeah.
It's just not open yet because
That background doesn't look very convincing.
Soon we'll be flying past
What does the sign
Disney's
say?
Boardwalk Inn and
You can
Disney's
see Japan
Boardwalk Villas.
right there.
This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges,
Head back to the
enchanting
car, finally.
restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
We got a wrapped one. We got Zootopia.
Oh, there's a Zootopia ride?
No, the wrap on the
tiger.
Skyliner.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can kind of see the tiger's face from Zootopia.
Oh wow, Riviera's all the way over there.
yeah, I was gonna say we're on the long one. We'll wrap around, which means when we get back into the train, we'll stay shut.
Here we are, finally in our Bonnet Creek Resort hotel room. Got our deck out here that probably faces a whole lot of nothing. Oh, there's something. There's a waterway there for something. I don't know what that's for. Got our nice couch bed here. Our full kitchen table. Our Bryson. And we've got like a
walkway
bathroom, butler's pantry kind of thing going on. Oh wow, okay. So there's a toilet and a shower back here. Got our two, are these queens or twins?
Queens. We're full.
You wanna hold the camera? You think you can hold the camera? Yeah.
So I can put that camera in my mouth.
Uh-huh. And let's see what we got. We got a view of shuffleboard. Oh man.
Get that nose, Boogie. Get your nose.
Hey, you can see whatever that resort was that we were taking the Skyliner over. You can see it peeking up over the trees through here. I think it's Saratoga or something. Or Caribbean Beach.
Put your booty down.
We are back at the Poly to pick up our dinner. We got dinner at Captain Cook's. Hopefully this camera doesn't die because it's on 9%.
On how many percent?
9%. So I've got my, what type of nachos did I get again? Pork? If I can open it. I should have opened it first. Okay, there we go. Oh, they gave me 2 lids. That's why it was more difficult to open. Wow.
See how long Colin's good for before he starts freezing.
Alright, what'd you get, Molly?
Oh, you love your barbecue
I am
chicken
not
sandwich?
a fan of paper straws.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh man, you got kettle chips. Oh, I got kettle chips. That's weird. For nachos?
Kettle chips?
Yeah. And what'd you get, Bryson?
I got a cheeseburger and some fries,
Yeah.
cookie, and a drink.
Quality meal.
I know, right?
And you got the pork
I
sandwich?
got pork sandwich with french fries.
Cool. Alright. First bit of nachos going in the mouth hole here.
Yeah, definitely not them.
It's not bad.
Is yours okay, Bryson?
Yeah. It tastes like pork nachos.
Got the pico on it? And spicy mayo.
I don't think I got
What's
to that
those
yet.
squares right there?
I think it's pineapple.
Really? Mm-hmm. They have 2 to go.
Let's get a better bite
And then they
here.
have like some Hawaiian slaw thing.
Oh,
Let's pick up right there.
Let's get like a... Let's get the whole package deal. Yeah, the pico and a pineapple go together well.
Very weird. Mm-hmm. I do not. This is not Southern barbecue. It's like Grant Tribeca. It's like sweet.
Yeah, mine's sweet as well.
Very different. This tastes like what they used to serve us in public school.
Or in
They're the
Hawaii.
crappiest barbecue.
That's exactly what it tasted like when we had it in Hawaii.
That water.
So I guess in that regard, it's pretty accurate. So the conclusion for dinner was that the barbecue was super sweet. I liked it, but nobody else did. And my nachos were pretty good. And I'd not usually a fan of pineapple on things, but it was enjoyable. It was different. Finally did it. I got the Citrus Surfer mug. They're in my black bag. It is a first edition Citrus Surfer. I got a Sprite with it. It costs approximately $35. I think it was worth it. Alright, Double Dippers, that will do it for today's episode. I guess if we're calling them episodes now. If you'd like to, like and subscribe. And be sure to watch the next video, because I'm sure it's going to be exciting. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, but we'll find out tomorrow. And until then, I'll see you later.